Boil this my black beans, guys. Today we'll be boiling black beans. I love it. Black beans, it has a taste that the other kidney beans they don't have. The red, the white they don't have. If you have not been eating black beans before, try it one day. This is black beans. Try it. I have 2 kilos. This one is 1 kilo. This is how it looks like. This is 1 kilo of beans. I love eating black beans. From the day I tasted black beans, look at this is 2 kilos. We put in water, then we parboil it. How they cook my own now? I they boil them. I parboil. Okay. As I will put water like this, I will parboil the beans. Then I remove the water because I have gastric, so it disturbs me a lot when I eat beans. So I use this secret and I eat beans because sometimes you have gastric, you don't eat beans, you don't eat cocky. There are some things you do that it will not be affecting you. So me like this, and you know the black pepper I'm selling black pepper. And you know that black pepper, if you put it inside these beans, you will not have that gastric, it will not disturb you. Any beans you are cooking, put black pepper. I'm selling the real black pepper. So this is my beans, It will go in now the fire. Go the place and for fire. They see we put fire there. As it go parboil, I go move them, I go wash them. Then I put the real time, make it done well. Then I put salt. Now I need to put salt because I want me parboil. If I put salt, I wastage. So you see black beans. This is 2 kilos of beans. I love cooking 2 kilos because we eat beans a lot. Beans is good, it's protein. So eat beans and black one, taste it, my darlings. They wash them. Look at the beans. Now they wash them. Wash them with clean water. Yes, so wash it with clean water. Then you go put water back, put them for fire, make it boil. Now I go put salt. Yes, guys, I don't wash the beans. Everything don't be washable, no water. So now I go to put clean water. Then I go put salt, put them for fire. Go put salt so that why they put salt? Because so that the salt enter inside the beans. You know when you cook beans, even though you need to chop too much salt, but not be too much. I go put so I put water. See now the water they clean. You see because that black water, I don't move that water where they give pain, gastric, it give you pain when you know if you chop beans. I don't wash and move them. So now when I cook and black pepper be needed. So I put salt and say when it boil, make salt enter for the body. So that if you just fry your beans, you don't need salt again. You understand? You don't need salt again for put them for your beans. So as it like this, our beans go for. See as the beans clean, they go for fire. You understand? They go for fire. Carry with that. So we go put our fire. We will leave and make it done now as we don't put salt. Now final done in this. So after now we go just fry the spice, tomato. If you're putting meat, if you're putting fish. Me I used to like putting dry fish and crayfish. Yes, and I know as I said dry fish. Sometimes they cook only with crayfish. Yes, I love cooking black beans with red oil. And it puts red oil. I will put small granite oil, but I like red oil for the beans. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.